Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So as I said previously that there are evil entities who are acting as twin flame coaches. So their agenda is clear, to keep the real twin flames mentally stuck on karmic twin flame. So they actually use a lot of tactics, manipulation tactics, and several other tricks they use to manipulate, to keep real twin flames stuck, mentally confused, and keeping them stuck in this entire journey, especially on karmic twin flame. So it was not that difficult for them, because they will start acting like a coach, and they will copy paste some of the real information about twin flame journey, and then they will start teaching the false things, and people who are listening, the real, including the real twin flames, they do believe, they start believing, and they start following. So the problem with the real twin flames, including the normal human beings, that they do not like to do their own research. They believe what people are saying, and that's how they start living their life. And that is the main reason that people are stuck in lower vibrations and stuck in this, twin flame journey, especially on karmic twin flame. So I went through spiritual awakening in March 2020. So as I was listening, several particular channels about twin flame connection journey, and all of a sudden one day one video popped up where I saw a person saying that the brain of divine masculine has been hijacked. That is why he's acting this way, and he's into multiple relationship, because his brain has been hijacked. And also that person said that the Markabic field of Mother Earth is actually, that masculine side is actually hijacked and damaged. That is the reason the divine masculine is this way, like staying into multiple relationships, staying into, and keep on cheating the real divine feminine. So this was actually a tactic, a trick. So now, if you have ever observed or maybe thought, what I have seen, this thought is, existing on global level, especially into feminines. If they are into love relationship and that person stops talking or leaves that person all of a sudden, or maybe, break up or maybe divorce, then what they do, they start thinking, oh, somebody must have done black magic. Somebody must have done spells. That is why that person has left. And immediately you will see, especially karmic twin flame, with other women. So these are the divine feminines who thinks somebody has done black magic, and that is why that person has left. So this is a particular thinking what exists most of the time into feminines. So evil entities who are acting as twin flame coaches, they knew about this mindset. That was the reason they played this way, that if they say the Merkabic field of Mother Earth has been hijacked or damaged, and the brain of divine masculine has been hijacked, that is why he's cheating, he's into multiple relationships. So this way divine feminines will definitely stay stuck on karmic twin flame. They will think it is the reality, and this is actually a reality. People are actually believing this shit which was being spreaded on Merkaba hijack and the brain of divine masculine hijack. So this was easy trick by telling this thing to divine feminine, that this karmic twin flame, who they call as a divine masculine, that is into multiple relationships, is a cheater, because his brain has been hijacked. So divine feminine will believe and will keep on chasing, will keep on waiting for that person forever. And also parallelly they will do that kind of inner work which is being shared by these evil entities who are acting as twin flame coaches, which will lead them nowhere. So in 2020, when I heard this statement, and that time when I looked at that channel, so when I heard her saying this, I did not see her face, because it was just a voice where there was some sort of wallpaper was there. So as I have been into divine communication, so I said, what she's talking? So divine said, just look at her face. So when I looked at her channel, she has posted her real face, a picture in some of the videos. There I recognized she's evil entity acting as a twin flame coach. And I said to divine, she's here also, they are here as well. So divine said, they have not left the normal human beings. How do you think that they will spare the real twin flame? So since then I knew that I have to create a channel for the real twin flames, and Twin flames exist globally. It's not just about India, America, or other country, but I knew that they exist globally. So I had a concern that which language to be shared in Hindi, which is my primary language, or in English. And for Americans, for other people who understand this language only, then this was a concern. Then I decided to make two separate channels. One is for Hindi people and other is for English. So this is my English channel, and the other channel is Twin Flame Diva, where I share information in Hindi. So now, if you have a question as why divine do not stop these evil entities, so you have to understand you got a brain, and if you're not using it in a right way, you are operating from false hope, then it is your problem, not divine's problem. You got a life, you got complete organs in your body, and your brain is the main part, through which you take right decision. And if you do not want to use that properly, then you are responsible for the delay, for the mishappenings in your life, not the divine. And that's what the plan done by evil entities who are acting as twin flame coaches. They keep on telling the real twin flames, you should not use your brain, otherwise you are not operating from soul. So for them, if you are using your brain, then which means you will become you will be able to come out of this shit information what they are spreading on the name of twin flame journey, if you start using your brain rightly. But they do not want you to use your brain, otherwise how would you believe on their shit, the false information? So let's understand the truth. So when I heard this statement in 2020, that when she said the brain of divine masculine has been hijacked because the Merkabah field of Mother Earth is damaged, and especially the masculine side is damaged, and also she said it has been hijacked. So I started laughing because I knew this is not at all possible. So in Merkabah, you can see there are two triangles. One is upper triangle and other one is downward triangle. So upper triangle represent the masculine energy, the divine masculine energy, and the downward triangle represents the feminine energy, the divine feminine energy. When somebody is able to balance their divine feminine energy and divine masculine energy, the Merkabah will be automatically active, automatically created. You don't have to do anything else. The false information those evil entities have created about the damage of Merkabah field of Mother Earth. Understand that the divine counterpart of Mother Earth is Father Sky. You can still Google, you will find this information. But this is a reality. I don't have any bookish information, but I did this, Google information for your self only. You can also Google, you will find it. Otherwise, I'll share a video on this. So Mother Earth is the divine counterpart of Father Sky, and they are immortal. They will always remain in this way. There is no separation and there will be no separation. But we cannot compare the human body, even including our twin flames. We have a body and we will leave someday. It is temporary. But when we talk about Mother Earth and dear Father Sky, they are like eternal beings. They are immortal beings that can never be destroyed. Yes, there have been imbalance created on energetic level, but why and how? That is the question. So the fake information which was spreaded, the wrong information about Mother Earth and dear Father Sky, they actually are divine counterpart and they always remain in union. They are immortal beings. Their bodies are immortal. But when we talk about human beings, whether normal human being or divine feminine or divine masculine, we reincarnate here and then we keep on coming. So body will definitely end. So understand, we cannot compare ourselves with the divine Mother Earth and Father Sky. Twin flames, normal human beings are ruled by karma. If you do wrong karma, you will pay back for that. But we talk about Mother Earth, Father Sky, they are not ruled by karma. So understand the difference. Another truth about being reptilians available on Earth, and that too as human, the way we exist, light beings, chosen ones, empaths, star seeds, twin flames, same way reptilians and other evil entities are also existing as humans, and their best game is to manipulate the humans, including the twin flames, by spreading the false knowledge so that the specially twin flames stays in separation with the real divine counterpart. And if you do not detach from karmic twin flame, you will always remain in this lower vibrational energy. So, and another thing, it is so difficult to detach from a karmic twin flame. It is so challenging. So the agenda behind spreading this fake knowledge about Merkaba hijack was, if they tell you that the masculine side of this, Mother Earth Merkaba has been hijacked, and because of the brain has been hijacked of divine masculine, and that is the reason, he's running away from you, and you are becoming chaser, and also you keep on chasing him, or also, like, you keep on waiting for that person. Someday he will come, or maybe, the inner work they are sharing, because of that they will change that, a cheater into a loyal person, which is the karmic twin flame. So a lot of divine feminines believed in this information. And now if you look at yourself, there are a lot of divine feminines who are into 40s, into 50s, and they're still in the same, they're still at the same place. That inner work did not lead them anywhere. They're still into the waiting energy, still into the chasing energy, that too on a karmic twin flame. So always remember, Mother Earth and Father Sky are divine counterpart of each other. No dark force, no other energy can ever separate them. They are eternal beings, immortal beings. They will always remain in union. Yes, the frequency of Earth has been keep on changing, keep on fluctuating, because of the good people who are tolerating shit on planet Earth on the name of relationship, connections, and titles, and there are a few more things. So no sort of interference can be done in Mother Earth or Father Sky's union. They always remain in union. There is no separation or reunion thing. They always remain in union. But I have to understand, these human beings, whether it's normal human being or we twin flame or chosen ones, can never be compared with, divine, Father Sky and Mother Earth. So these evil entities who are acting as twin flame coaches, they also try to put some sort of, thought process into your brain, that one side they claim that the brain of divine masculine has been hijacked. Other side they claim the inner work they are selling, they are providing you, that can turn out a cheater into a loyal person. And this way you will keep on doing that, inner work, whatever they are sharing, and you will keep on having nothing in your life. You will find yourself at the same place, even though if you spend 10 years, 20 years. This is a reality. So another plan is to keep you, in this journey stuck. And once you become turned out into maybe 40, 50 or 60, then you know that you cannot do anything. You have to repeat the same life in upcoming life, where the same patterns will be repeated. This is the reality of life. That is the reason you have to keep on breaking your karmic cycles, karmic patterns, in terms of dealing with the humans, and in terms of your habits and so many other things. So they were able to fulfill their agenda, where people believed this information about Merkaba hijack. Also, as Mother Earth and Father Skies, remain in a union, Mother Earth has those main 7 chakras fully active and, into full power, where it is located at a particular place into entire Earth. That I can share in a separate video, or maybe you can Google. You will find out that information, where each chakras are located on planet Earth of Mother Earth. Evil entities do not want you to use your brain, which is a divine masculine energy. Otherwise you will start coming out of any sort of shit information on the name of twin flame journey. It's not just the only information of this brain hijack of divine masculine or Merkaba hijack. They also are spreading so many other false information, like this, how would you know and how can you make divine masculine awakened. This is again a false information. I will share a video on this. So till the time you keep on operating from false hope that a cheater will turn out to be a divine masculine, or will turn out to be a loyal person because you are doing some sort of inner work, or that inner work has the power to change a cheater into a loyal person, you are actually operating from a false hope. So this journey is not that difficult, I would say. Yes, it is painful, but then if you start living conscious, super conscious life, you will soon come out of this, these traps, these mental confusions, these sort of energies. But if you're a real divine feminine, there are a lot of challenges when you try to detach from a karmic twin flame. I have gone through that. That is why I'm sharing. If you're operating from false hope, you will never be able to, balance your DM and DF energy. And for person who is operating from false hope, they cannot activate or operate from their intuition power, because it is the supreme power. It shows you the truth. And if you see the truth and you're still not taking action, you still want to follow the, wrong path, you still want to chase a wrong person, which means that power is not meant for you, and you will not be able to access it properly till the time you keep on operating from false hope. So always remember, you have to use your brain, which is divine masculine energy, and you have to use your intuition power, which is your divine feminine energy. So choice is yours. Nothing is forceful in this journey, and you have got all the power. If you're a real divine feminine, you have lot of power. You can overcome any challenge, any sort of situation in your life. But till the time you keep operating from false hope, nobody can help you. I hope the information about Merkaba hijack and the brain hijack of divine masculine has been clear, as it was a complete fake information just to keep the real divine feminine stuck on karmic twin flame, nothing else. Life is ruled by divine only. It's just that you have to take conscious decisions and take right action. If you do not do that, then people, those evil entities who are acting as twin flame coaches and other who are controlling the humanity, they just trick you and confuse you mentally, and that's the easiest way to keep you into lower vibration and stuck in this journey. So choice is yours. You got a power, and again you have to make decision which way you want to go. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of self. Bye bye.